Sorry, we are live. So, all right. So, welcome to this new channel. I'm Christopher, and my co-host is Dima. And together we are going to vibe code. The goal of this channel is just to have some fun and also show a little marketing principles here and there, building landing pages and so on using AI. Or rebuilding landing pages.
Also the possibilities to do it.
Yes, correct. But today we're going to do like a fun vibe coding challenge. It's the first time that we are doing that. We have some experience, but not a lot. What we are going to do today, we have a set of rules. Dima is going to use Codex and Cursor, and is going to use ChatGPT to create his IDs, to brainstorm. It's going to be ChatGPT, and he's then going to use Cursor, and he's going to use Codex inside of Cursor to develop the IDs. I'm going to use Claude, and I'm going to use Claude Code inside of Cursor to do the same thing. So we are going to start with an ID. And once we explain the ID, we are going to try and build it. We have around 45 minutes to 1 hour a day during that live stream to build the ID. And at the end, the goal is that you just vote in the comment section or just tell us what you think about the results and give a winner. So just vote in the comment section by just saying Dima or Christopher, and at the end of the day or the day after, we're just gonna count the votes and we are gonna say who the winner was. So for this video, always Dima. No, it's going to be Christopher. I think for this video, we're not going to have so many comments, but it doesn't matter. It will come soon. So the idea of today is we are going to try to build a Kanban board, a board in the same style of the Trello dashboard, where you can just take one board and drag it to another column. So to make it a little bit more difficult for us, we are going to attach a system to that Kanban board, and the first column is going to be a 30-day challenge, which will have a timer. The Kanban board will have a timer, and if you don't complete a challenge within the 24 hours, the goal is that it goes from in progress to lost the challenge column automatically. So you have to log in once a day. That's the goal. That's the idea behind it. You have to log in once a day and actively do the challenge and drag it from in progress to done. Once you're done with the challenge, for you to be having those 30 challenge in the correct column. So the goal of it is to build a Kanban board where we will add challenges into it and try to add some type of timer automation. So that is what we are going to build today. The way that we are going to present it, every 2 to 3 minutes, we will swap screens. So now you're seeing Dima's screen. He is sharing his computer screen.
Hello.
And hello. And in 2 or 3 minutes, I will just swap the screens. You will be able to follow my screen. And the goal is to swap it every 2-3 minutes so that you can see what progress Dima is making and what progress I'm making. And in about 45 minutes to an hour's time, we will just call it a day, stop the challenge, and see what we have built. And you will be up to the voting and deciding who has won the challenge. So that's the idea behind it. I would say we will start. Dima,
let's go.
Good luck.
I'm ready.
Good luck. I know I will win, but good luck. And
yeah.
in the meantime, we're just going to, I think, tell a lot of bullshit, no?
Of course. Why not?
Of course, that's the goal. So it's possible
Why
that
not?
sometimes one of our mics is going to be off, and that's just because we are using a tool called WhisperFlow, and WhisperFlow allows us to talk instead of typing. It's just transcribing what we are saying into written words, and sometimes it's much easier and much faster to brainstorm. So this is how we are going to do it. Yeah, let's start then, Dima. Good luck.
Okay, yeah, thank you too.
All right.
Okay, I'm gonna use my best English to describe to ChatGPT what I want to see. And
I'm gonna do the same. I'm gonna do the same, but in Claude.
And what are you typing? Can you dictate? I will type the same.
Actually, I will not dictate anything. That's the secret. So we are building a Kanban board, and the goal of that Kanban board is to, and I'm not saying anything anymore. The rest you will have to figure out by yourself, Dima.
I will.
So yeah, I just have the first prompt launched. Which model are you using, Dima, to brainstorm on the idea?
5, just ChatGPT
Just
5.
ChatGPT 5. All right.
Yeah.
So I'm actually using Claude Opus 4.1. I think that's the smartest model by far. It will take a little bit longer for the model to generate an ID, but once the ID is generated, I think it will be a lot better than if I just used the Sonnet 4 model. So what is this thing saying to me? Yes, I can agree with that. All right, it's saying quite a lot actually already. So I have to give it some directions. All right, it's already writing code, no?
For me, yeah, for me as well. It's I didn't mention that I want it in the code, and so it gave me like 3 options to choose with different advices. So, and the last one is with the code. Now it's busy with it's already done. So let's see what it did.
So for me at the moment, I think I already have the prompts. I'm just asking if it can create a .md file that I can download and copy paste really easily into Claude Code.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm gonna switch the screens now. I'm gonna add mine to the stage instead for the next 2 to 3 minutes. So I'm gonna guide the user through what I'm doing now at the moment. So I'm creating a markdown file with the complete Kanban board prompts. So we started, I think, like 4 minutes ago now. And we don't even have code yet. Huh?
Yep.
It's still writing. It's taking its time. It doesn't know we are on a schedule. So actually, Dima, I'm looking at your background where you're at.
Yeah,
your background is looking kind of funny, man.
Yeah, it's cool background. I like it a lot.
You're inside brick walls. What is this place?
Yeah, it's a secret, you know.
Yeah, today I went and visit Homer, and he told me that I could use his desk. So I'm in Springfield now. All right. I think it's almost done thinking with me. It takes quite some time. So what do you have already?
Yeah, I'm busy with the design. So I took some example and I'm gonna use it as a design.
Oh.
For the page to make it beautiful.
That's the cool thing. So I just think mine is almost ready. Not sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, not like the Kanban board. Huh?
Okay.
just the prompt. Yeah, I'm not that far yet. So I will have to download it. And I will have to.
If you can speak when you are working, maybe you can describe who we are and what we are doing. Like what is this channel about and what kind of website do we have and services?
Wait, I'm just going to paste my prompts into Claude Code. Wait, I forgot to add the path to Claude Code. I'm gonna do it now. So the goal of this channel actually is quite simple. The goal of this channel is just having a little bit of fun. And while we are having a little bit of fun, we are also going to try to explain some digital marketing principles once in a while and try to rebuild stuff with digital marketing and digital marketing using those same tools. So always trying to make like some little challenge out of it. So we are running a brand new agency called Rankzilla at the moment. It doesn't really have anything to do with what we are doing today, but we are just two guys that want to have fun and also demonstrate what is possible nowadays with AI and digital marketing. So this is going to be, let's say, 1/3 of the part of this channel, what this channel is going to be about, and the two other thirds are just going to be us trying to vibe code like apps, popular apps that are making quite a lot of monthly recurring revenue and annual recurring revenue. Try to rebuild them and trying to make them better and see if we can position them on the market as well. And the other part is just going to be like today, a fun project, something that we are trying to do sometime. It's going to be a Kanban dashboard or board or tool. And another time it's going to be a cat translator or a tool that is going to make spit out cat jokes or something else. It depends on the day. So the way that we are working every day, half an hour before the live, we brainstorm about what we are going to do that day. So the ideas are always fresh. and we start building the project as soon as we go live. So every day is going to be a little bit of the same. And yeah, I hope that this type of live stream can entertain some people. It definitely entertains us. So, and if it doesn't, who cares?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's true, no? So,
Yep.
yeah, mine is already building something, but it's taking quite a while.
I have
I'm
already
gonna.
quite cool design. I like it.
Yeah, you already have a design?
Design, yeah. And I like it how
Whoa,
it looks like.
I don't have nothing yet, man. I just have like nothing. I don't even have challenges. I didn't even think about challenges yet.
Yeah, I don't have as well, but it's just a placeholders there. But I will fill it in later on.
And how do you do, how are you going to tackle the challenges? And what type of challenges are you going to add to the board?
I don't know. I think it's gonna be like I don't know how do you call it in English, like self improvement. Like take
Okay, yeah.
a cold bath, for example, or read the 10 pages of the book, and so on.
Okay, yeah.
Make 500 push-ups, for example.
Well, this is going to maybe I'm going to try to create a Kanban board about I don't know, I think maybe vibe coding projects as
Okay.
I'm gonna stay on topic. And who knows, maybe we can just take if they are any good, maybe we can just take on that those projects every day ourselves. So, and do all functionalities work on your Kanban boards?
Let me try. Yeah, I didn't test it fully yet, and it's quite difficult to to work on the shared screen, like because on the split view, I mean. But now I'm busy to transfer everything from ChatGPT to Cursor, and I'm trying to split the code to different files like HTML, JavaScript, and CSS to make it
Okay.
looks correct.
For me, it's still busy writing writing the code. So it's still in writing mode. It's only on the third part of the plan at the moment. It's creating a TypeScript at the moment for the Kanban entities. So yeah, I wonder how it's going to turn out.
Yeah, me too.
So the reason, a little bit of context on the accents, the reason why we don't speak like native speakers is quite clear, quite understandable. I mean, sometimes we will have to think very hard about the words that are coming out of our mouth. I'm from Belgium originally, from the French speaking sides, so I speak French, and I moved to the Dutch part, so I learned Dutch, and Dima is from.
Yeah, actually,
Where are
I'm
you
from
from?
Ukraine, and I just improved my. Actually, I'm living in Belgium now, and for 3 years, and I improved my English already here. I used it before because before I worked at the sea as a engineer, and then I kind of swiped my career, and I had to learn the new language as well as Dutch. So for me, it's even more difficult to speak English, I guess. But
But it works.
I
Huh?
really
We have a
think,
meeting once
yeah,
a
yeah,
day.
yeah. Yeah.
we understand each other, so yeah. We only speak English to each other, so it works. Huh? Yeah.
Yep.
So, and actually, I learned English watching TV, watching shows like Friends. Uh, Nothing is dubbed here; it's all subbed, and that's how I learned my English. And of course, by speaking with people afterwards. But
Especially in Belgium, it's different because, like in Flemish region, when you watch the TV, all the movies it's in original sound. It's not translated to Dutch, so it's
so
quite good for the experience.
true. And since we have meetings every day, the English has improved as well, no?
Yeah, that's true.
Yes. So for me, I'm gonna switch back to my screen for a minute. I'm already on last step of the code. It's already debugging some stuff on my side. I don't have a dashboard yet. I don't have anything actually. I'm still waiting. So you make a lot of progress. We're already 15 minutes in, and I still don't have anything. So also, yeah, the fact that no, actually, what I wanted to say is you live in Belgium, you moved, we got to know each other in Belgium, and since then I moved to Spain. So now I live in Spain and the south of Spain, trying to enjoy the sun, but actually don't see a lot of sun. We're like computer vampires. So
Yeah.
yeah. So it's already testing the application on my side by running a developer server. I hope something good comes out of it, because otherwise I will have lost 16 minutes for nothing. So it's still testing the application by running dev servers. Actually, it's not doing anything on my side. I'm sure you're almost done.
No, not yet. I'm busy to create the 30 challenges, but it did not do it right. Wait. Yep. Yeah, but I know you. Now you're gonna spend 30 minutes and then it will be done in one time. Oh, it's nice challenges here. Like no social media for the entire day. Do 50 squats and 50 lunges. Drink at least 3 liters of water. Be careful, you can die.
Be careful, you can die.
Go to bed before 10:30 p.m. It's for you.
Yeah, it's never gonna work. So actually,
Do
I just asked to brainstorm about 30-day challenges. So I'm for white coding. But what do we have more?
do 50 burpees. Wow, it's hard to do 50 at one time. Spend the day with no sugar or junk food. I like it. Maybe we can implement it to our life.
Yeah, maybe. So if I just hope that this day doesn't come when I lose, because I will definitely need to eat some sugar or junk food. Well. my side, it's taking quite a long time. I just started phase 2, and phase 2 is about the project structure. So now it's actually adding like a dark mode toggle, and then implementing some search and filtering functionalities, adding a keyboard navigation and shortcuts, a couple of things like that. So I'm only at the first check mark, and I have around, I think, 8 to go. So I have a feeling you will be done before I am.
Let's see.
So I will change the screen back over to you. So I would say close the porn real fast. Nobody wants to see that.
I have it. I have it on my phone. Nobody can see.
You have it on your phone.
Yeah, I cannot work without it.
I knew it.
It's my motivation.
I asked for like 30 challenges, and actually it didn't give me anything. What? Animated wave background generator. What is this? So for day 3, it's going to be a gradient palette generated. It's stupid. Retro TV effect portfolio. No, I think I'm gonna have to do some type of other, like no, they're not sophisticated enough. I'm typing other IDs. I hope it can generate better IDs.
No, I've got the good ideas from one shot. Good tasks for 30 days. Do yoga for 30 minutes.
Do yoga for 30 minutes? It's not bad. I'm not gonna do it, but
practice deep breathing 10 minutes.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Oh, reach out to someone you haven't spoken to in a while.
Oof.
Yeah, it's cool. Yeah?
It's cool, but I don't know nobody, so it's going to be difficult. It's going to be difficult to reach out.
For example, to Nicholas. Do you remember that guy?
Yeah, maybe I have to reach out to this guy. Yeah. Hey, it's a cool guy actually. So maybe I will reach out. If I do the challenge, I will reach out. So it's still at the second functionality on my side. I'm gonna remove me from stage and add you back in to see where you're at. Because mine is quite boring actually. Yeah, nothing happens. It's just writing code, but you cannot really visualize anything yet. So yeah. I have another set of 30 days challenges. So it's a comedy generator, a ridiculous randomizer. I prefer this one. Useless superpowers, cursed pizza toppings, conspiracy theories, developer horoscope. I think I'm gonna use this one. I think this is more my thing. Like I asked it to give things more like dad joke generator and cat joke generator, like dark humor chat and things like that. So we want to make it fun, eh?
Yep.
All right. So still 5 bullet points to go on my side. How is it going on your side?
Yeah, now I'm adding some kind of badges to the cards. Like I want to also indicate what task can be easy to do, what task will be medium, and what task will be hard to do. I want to add kind of these badges to the cards.
All right. So I'm just asking now.
Let's see.
So I want to see if it's possible to do so. I just asked if the 30 IDs that it gave me, I could turn it into a doc that I could use and upload via my terminal, just to make it easier for myself. I just hope it doesn't take like 3 hours like now, because we are already 30 minutes in and I still haven't seen any board yet. So we're 32 minutes in. So,
Yeah,
but we
it's
talked
going fast.
we talked for 5 minutes, eh? So I think we still have like 33 minutes or something. Yeah, it's going real fast. It's going really, really fast.
The cool thing about Cursor that you can prompt like you don't have to wait for the result of the first prompt. You can continue to work on it and to modify it one by one.
Yeah, it's
Like
cool,
you
eh?
don't have
It's cool.
you don't. It's not like with the ChatGPT that you have to wait until it's done with the task.
Yes, I think it's cool as well, because ChatGPT I think Claude Code, not Claude Code, but the Claude chat works in the same manner, that you have to wait until it's done before you can send something else.
Yeah.
And that's what I like about Terminal using the client. It's more easy for us to build a project fast. But yeah, first you have to have a project, and once you're doing some redesigning or like optimizing like some functionalities, you can say a lot of things, because you have the design to look at and the design to test. Like the boards now at the moment, I don't have anything, so I cannot just say things or I will destroy the project.
Yeah.
So yeah, let's see what we can do. Do you already have something, Dima?
I think yes. Oh, dankjewel.
That's a yeah. If you already have something, we have to applaud you, huh? Because I don't have anything yet. For me, it's
it's not
it's
perfect
not so
yet,
good. That's how I
it's
feel at the moment. You can hear my heart through the box.
Wow, it's a lot.
Yeah, it's very loud.
And also now I'm adding. Oh, it's already done. When you have the card in the progress and you move it to the column done, it becomes green, like you really done the task.
Oh, cool. At the moment, I think you're quite far, actually. You're still missing your timer, actually, no? And the
Timer.
automation
Oh
behind
yeah,
it.
yeah. I didn't do it yet.
So you still have to build the automation, the timer, the. Do you have a way to log in yet? Like
No, not yet.
So normally every 2-3 minutes we swap screens, but if I swap to mine, actually it's going to be quite boring because I'm still in the same stage. I'm still waiting for the first result.
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
taken so
I
long.
don't
Yeah.
have anything yet. I don't have anything yet. Nothing. So it's just creating confirmation dialogue and models now at the moment. I don't have anything.
But
I think it's even a third phase to create the design on my side.
are you busy with building the automation directly?
Yeah, I'm busy building everything.
Okay, that's
That's why
why.
it takes so long. Yeah.
Yep.
And then if I'm trying to make it very difficult on myself, not building, and I don't have anything working yet. But if it works in a second, I will only have to debug it like for a couple of minutes, and I think I will be done a lot faster. So I'm not sure. Maybe I have nothing at the end of this live stream, and then I will
Let's
just be
see.
like,
Yeah.
just be fucked for today. Yeah.
But don't cry afterwards, okay? It will be fine.
No.
You will win in the next challenge.
Yes. Yeah. I will have to. I will have to prepare better if I lose this time. Actually, I just saw you moving. It seems like you're in prison. The secret
Yeah.
location is just a prison cell. Huh?
That's why I'm moving so fast because I have a lot of time to invest to the to the AI.
How come you have a PC in prison? I thought you couldn't have any connection to internet in prison.
It's Belgium prison.
Yeah, it's true. People don't know that. Yeah, in
Yeah,
Belgian prison, you can have like internet, PlayStation, TV.
yeah,
You can play
that's true. That's
tennis,
true.
swim. Yeah, that's true. That's true indeed. I'm gonna rehydrate a little bit. I'm gonna drink a little bit of water because.
Okay.
Yeah. So. I see something. I see something on my side. Maybe I'm gonna switch screens now because something is moving on my side. I have to click yes. It's giving me a lot of errors. Don't they have like massage salons in prisons? I see like you moving your neck like a lot. Don't they massage you during
I have to,
recess?
no. I just have to put my my head up to come up with the prompt.
Mine is still working. He has to fix like errors. I didn't see anything yet, and I already have a lot of errors. So it's already. Oh yeah. So he gave me like a comprehensive JSON data file that I can use to upload later on. All right. Well, already downloaded and open it so I can use it very soon. Oh no, it's opening Adobe After Effects. I'm gonna have to
Why?
because it's probably because of the JSON code. I didn't want this. I have to force quit because I didn't want this. I'm just gonna copy and paste it from here once it's done. I think it's the safest way to do it. Yes. So yes, please run it. And I have a lot of errors again. I am actually very happy that when you are vibe coding, you don't have to fix the errors yourself. It's auto fixed.
Yeah.
So looking at the timer, we have, I think, 22 minutes left. And I could see like earlier that you already had like quite a good Kanban board. And on my side, it's still fixing errors. So maybe I will switch back to you, and once it's done, I will go back to mine.
Okay, now I'm busy with building the login page.
Wow.
And then, but I still don't understand fully like what should be the process behind it. Like the users should use their login and password to log in, and then
Yeah,
I
I think you have to create. I think you have to normally. You should create a Google API, if I'm not mistaken, just to be able to have that login screen. If you want them to log in with Google, if you want them to log in with Facebook, it's something similar. And otherwise,
Yep.
you just create a login screen with a username or an email address that they can use. They have to register by filling in their email address, maybe a password with like some type of rule set, so that they cannot create a password that is just 123. But I think it's something like that. I'm not sure. Never did it. So mine is still fixing things. Oh, actually, I will move back the screen. I think maybe I have something. Let's hope it works. So I just have to say that it has to give me a link to open it on local server. And I'm going to say which port it has to use because it won't know. And it's opening it in the wrong.
You know what? It's created sorry, it's created a login page, and I cannot log into there because I don't have the email and password. Now I cannot see my dashboard anymore.
This is stupid. This is quite stupid, actually. Eh? This is so. It's just giving me a white screen. I have nothing yet. It said it was finished. Then I say I want to open it on my PC in local host, but no, it's I don't see anything. So we are like, we have 18 minutes left, and you cannot log in to your own app, and I cannot see my app. I don't have anything. This is going to be one for the failing. Or
it's still busy with, and I think it's still not connected from login page to the dashboard. I have to do it.
I'm just gonna say to this guy, I don't see anything, because it's taking quite long. Hurry up! I'm losing. No. Actually, I'm not gonna type this. It's gonna confuse the system. Whoa!
What is that?
It's the 15-minute mark.
Ah.
We only have 15 minutes left. I don't have a good feeling about this.
Yeah?
I have nothing. Maybe I will just open the Trello dashboard and say it. I built it.
Yeah.
Okay, I have
It
to
won't
run
work
more
like
commands.
this.
Yes, I'm just gonna use inspect mode and change the name. Yeah, Claude. I don't know. It has a lot of difficulties with this thing. Maybe I give it too complex instructions, but next time I will just have to do it step by step. I think I did.
Yeah. Like
too much.
I'm doing now. I just doing
Yes.
step by step.
I'm still not seeing anything. There is no error message. I'm not seeing anything. Yeah, I'm going to start talking to this Claude because it's not working, eh? So maybe I'm going to jump back to your screen. I think it's cool to see you. Can you log in? Can you log in again to your own app?
I don't know yet. It's still busy with creating the admin login and password for me.
At least you had something earlier. You can just revert back to the last one and you
No,
will be the winner.
I still can open the index.html file and I will have my dashboard there.
Yeah, it's true. It's true. It's true. Yeah, for me, it's still fixing. Maybe in the last minute, it will open it and it will be perfect.
Yeah.
Maybe, yeah. Who knows? Yes. I'm not seeing anything. Let me see. Let me know what you see now. Nothing, man. Nothing. Nothing. It's not working. Do something. I'm running short on time. Maybe I have to look at which model is building this shit. Maybe I use the baddest model. I didn't even think about checking this.
For the whole live stream.
Yes, for the whole live stream. It's maybe I will have to use this trick, this Claude trick, the ultra think mode, and use all my credits for today. Oh, I'm starting to see something, but it doesn't look good. Oh, I have a dark mode. I don't have a login. I don't have anything yet. So let me see how it behaves on mobile. I cannot drag it, but I can move it like this. Oh, yeah. Right, I'm actually starting to see something. So I will share my screen again as I'm starting to see things. I must say yours looks cleaner than mine. Mine is like it looks like a chalkboard and a kindergarten. A lot of colors. The dark mode is working, so yeah, that's something already.
Okay, normally I have admin login and password. Oh, yeah. So now I can log in. I want to add also the beautiful animation, and I will be busy with adding a timer to each task.
So I just added like a big prompt. It's something that is not working quite well yet. So, and you?
Yeah. Now I can log in. It works.
Oh, you can log in.
Yeah, with my admin login and passwords. But I will have to change it because all of our viewers could see my login and password of admin.
So yeah, mine is still doing a lot of things, but I think we have 10 minutes left at the moment.
Now I'm busy with building the rule for the timer for 24 hours.
All right.
I'm curious if it's gonna work.
Yes. Actually, you're a lot farther than I am because I only have like a simple Kanban board, no IDs inside yet because yeah, it don't work. It doesn't work. And now it's broken. Shit. It's broken. No. This is what I'm typing. Oh yeah. I'm gonna lose. I'm gonna lose. I feel it.
During this session, I never opened your screen to see what you're doing. What if you are just faking it and you have the beautiful dashboard with
No, believe me.
perfect, perfect animation?
Believe me. I'm not lying. Mine is not working. I don't have a dashboard. It's broken. I don't have a login screen. I don't have a dashboard. I don't have challenges. I have nothing. It's just so slow and it doesn't work. Off. It's broken. And now it's trying to fix it, but it's not fixing it. Fuck. Maybe I just have to start a quick, fast, a quick new project.
For the 10 minutes.
For the 10 minutes, it will work better. Oh no, it's debugging everything. Oh. What is this? Yeah, you're almost done, man. You're almost done already.
Mm-hmm.
And my Claude Code is even tripping. I don't know. I will show it to everyone online. It's tripping. It's moving from one place to the other. Ah, no, it's not tripping. It's not tripping. It was tripping so much. I just faced it,
Ask it
the 30 days challenge.
ask it to give you the best Kanban board in one shot. Maybe it's gonna work. Who knows? Or you know what you can do? You can go to Trello board, copy the whole code of the website, and ask to rebuild it, but in your
Yeah,
style.
it's true. Now I'm trying to build this login. I don't even have the dashboard yet. Ah, yeah, I have the dashboards. But believe me, the design is ugly.
Yeah.
Yes.
I got an idea. I'm gonna do something else.
So I'm trying to add like a couple of functionalities. So I already have the timer at the moment. My dashboard doesn't look so good, but I already have the timer. I don't even know if all the functionalities work. So I don't even know if I can drag it. Yes, I can drag it. Oh, I have a logging screen. So I can sign up. I can add my name, my email address. I can add a password. Or just try something. Create an account. Scheiße. Password do not match. I will type it here. Just copy paste it. Stop. It will not be the same. I will not be able to log in my account as well, I think. Yo, it's already saying hello to me. Scheiße. Yes. I will try. Oh, the password is such a difficult thing. I don't know what I copied. No, I will have the same as you
What?
for the passwords.
Ah.
So where are you? Actually, we only have 1 minute left.
Yeah.
Yes. How far are you? Maybe I'll share your screen fast.
Yeah, actually, what I'm doing now, can you see my screen as well?
Damn, you already have this Facebook, but you cannot use it.
Oh. No, you cannot use it. But if you use user, you can log in. Can you see my screen? Yeah. So I can maybe I can describe what I have. But it's still
Yeah,
busy. I
describe
want
it.
to finish. Okay, so actually, I can do it bigger. I have this board like here, the same as we described. On the left, the first column it's to do the tasks for 30 days, different kind of tasks. Then it's in progress, done or failed, and you can take it and drag it to different columns. For example, if we take, I don't know, the task number 6, I can put it in progress, and then I can switch it to done. When it's done, it's with green background, and when it's failed, it's in red background. And now I think it's still busy with the automatization. When you move the task from to do to in progress, then here normally the timer should start for 24 hours. And if you didn't move it from in progress to done in 24 hours, it's going to move automatically to fail it, and it will be locked, so you won't be able to move it anymore from failed. So, and also what this prompt is doing now, as you can see here, I have a bar where I can choose like project. It can be personal, fitness, learning, for example, and I just got an idea to split it, to have different kind of challenges. It can be challenge at work, at home, at the gym, for example. And now it's busy to build the tasks for the fitness. So if you just want to do it 30 days challenge for fitness, you choose it here. And normally the dashboard should change to the new tasks, but it's still busy with that prompt as well. But look, all my tasks are gone right just now. You see, I don't have task anymore.
Oh, you don't have task. What do you say? We continue for 5 more minutes?
Yeah, let's do it for 5 more minutes and then we stop.
All right.
Why I cannot see my strange. Okay.
I'm just gonna open a Trello dashboard. How does it Get over here. I'm gonna use ruler. I don't even know if I have a dashboard. Maybe I'm gonna take one. A Kanban template. Dismiss. I'm gonna use it. Dismiss. I think this is image. No, actually, I like mine better.
You see, it fucked up my my dashboard, my tasks in the last prompt. Now I asked to bring it back, all my tasks. I don't know why it's changed.
You cannot bring it back. Oi. This is not good,
Let's see.
So I think it's starting to look like something for me, but it's not so beautiful yet. So I'm just gonna share my screen real fast again. We're almost there. Woohoo! So as everyone can see, I can change them as well from columns. You can see one in progress. Normally, I shouldn't be able to add two of them. That's not the case at the moment. I can add them back, and I can add them to done, and I can not add them to lost because that's a rule I added in. And let's say my timer would be over. I can add them back from lost to do. Actually, it's something I should add. Once the to-do is in progress, it cannot be added back to do. And once a project is done, you can always add it back to in progress, but not to do. This is something I need.
And can you try to move it to another columns as well?
Yes, align this text to left.
I'm looking at your and at your board the animation was much better than mine when you drag and drop, and in your board it's better that you have the columns to full high, and when you drop you don't have this problem as I had. Like you want to drop it in to the progress, and you cannot do it because you miss the line where it should be dropped.
True.
So this one I like better.
But for me, I cannot add like anything on the board yet. So it's not like I can add like normally you can add nodes with what you see and what you get editor. I think on Trello, you have that already. You can write your own cards. I can't actually.
Yeah.
I can add a task, but I cannot really. Yeah. Colors and contrasts are horrible. I cannot read anything as well. So and all the to-dos have to be aligned to the left as well, but it doesn't do it. I wanted a dark background. A 6x1 black. Use playwright to auto-check progress. A lot of text not visible. So yeah, we are almost done. I think there will be nothing for us left to do than to stop it very soon.
Yep.
I will give ourselves 3 more minutes. And then we are at 1:15, 1 hour and 15 minutes. I think it will be long enough already.
Yep, that's true.
I cannot edit my cards. I do not see any dates on the cards. I cannot add nodes to the cards. I cannot do anything with the cards. I don't see more context as shared inside of my cards. There are a lot of flaws in my dashboards. Actually, I miss like a lot of functionalities that you have on a standard Trello dashboard. So my cards are so small. I do not have the possibility to add an image to a card as well. Actually, I see it just added like little tags, which it should add to every card, I think, and also it should give like when I gave like the challenge for me on my side, I added like context, like with bullet points and what the daily challenge should be about, but it didn't add this to the cards. So it should add it as well. It lacks a lot of functionalities. And you're almost done? I will go back 2 minutes to your screen.
Yeah. Wait,
just to see where you're at.
And countdown timer for 24 hours. Yeah, my task migrate back, as you can see. Not all. Day 6 not. Like day 1, for example, it's here. And if you want to leave the comment, for example, hard to do, and you save it, then you can see here that you have 1 comment on this task here as well. And but you see, I can't remove it from here, so I will have to improve it as well. And then yeah, I was trying to add another project like fitness, but it did not do. Instead, it just took all my tasks from here. I don't know why. But the idea itself, it's cool, and it's like I said to you before. Then when you are doing this kind of task to create something, you're getting the ideas during the process, and you want to add more and more ideas into the process.
Yes, it's true. Yeah, while you busy building this, it's actually a lot better.
Yeah. So okay. Do we stop?
Yes, I mean, yes. Well, let's stop. Let's. We are already sharing your screen now at the moment, so we say
Yeah,
guide us through the process.
yeah. Okay, we have login page, and here the idea was to add like the possibilities to continue with Google or Facebook, but it's not what I wanted to see. But I didn't prompt because I didn't have time to prompt it correctly, like to have the full login process. So now if I just use user and user here, I can log in to the dashboard. Here I have like task for 30 days, different tasks, the same as I described before, which you can move. Yeah, and then you can move it to done. Also, it was busy with the prompt to add a timer to each task. Like if you add it to in progress, the timer should come to the task, and then you have only 24 hours to move it to done. If it's not done, it should move to
And
fail it, and so
where
on.
is it? Where is the timer now when you add it?
It's I don't know. It's didn't add, and I was busy to fix it, and I didn't have
So
enough time to do it
you wanted to add a timer per
per task.
per task.
Yeah,
Ah,
but now I'm realizing that it's not so logical because it's a 30-day challenge, and you can take only one task per day.
yes,
So
yes,
it's
true.
not so logic to do. It would be better to do if, for example, there is only possibilities to add only one task per day. Now I can add as much as I want, but
Yeah.
it would be better if I can add only one task per day, and then the timer is start for 24 hours. So if we
Okay.
have like 2 2 hours more, then we can make it perfect. But yeah, it's taken too long.
It's taking a long time. Eh? It's difficult to build. Eh?
Yeah, but actually, the possibility to build it's really cool because I never
Yeah.
did it before to build kind of dashboards where you can drag and drop. So I even didn't know that it's possible to do like that with AI.
And what are the other functionalities? Like I see analytics, calendar settings, but
Yeah,
what do they do?
it's nothing here. It's nothing here yet. The idea was to add here like analytics. How much did you fail it? How much did you done? And the calendar, I don't have any ideas what I could add there. It was added automatically from the example of design. That's why
Okay.
it's there.
And do you have the possibility to like change your settings, like user password and
No, no,
profile
not yet.
avatar and things like that? No, not yet.
No, I didn't do it. No.
Okay. Yeah, for me, it's and can you can you like open the cart and like change things inside of the cart yourself, or
Do you mean change the task? No, I
yeah,
cannot
the
change it.
task
I can only add the comment.
only comments? Yeah, okay, yeah, no, makes a lot of sense. Makes a lot of sense. I think, how did you attribute it, like the little highlights, like the medium, easy, and hard? Is that something that you chose yourself, or?
Yeah. I asked ChatGPT. Before it was like just a random labels here, and then I asked ChatGPT to attribute every um, label to relevant task. Like for example, if it's easy to do that, then the label will be easy. If it's hard, like not no social media all day, for some people it could be really hard to do, and then it's with the label hard. So I just asked to ChatGPT to create a list with the relevant labels, and then I asked the cursor to implement it to my project.
Cool, cool. So, and like for example, when you log out and you log back in, do you find the same progress as you, like when you left
Yeah,
the board, or is it restarting? Oh no,
no,
it's remembering the progress.
yeah, yeah.
Oh, that's cool. I don't think mine can do that.
Yeah, yeah. If I try,
Remembering
for
the
example,
progress.
yeah, it's 3 tasks
Oh,
here.
that's really cool. I
But it
don't
was
think mine.
automatically. I did not do nothing about it. It's just by the random.
It's just a random thing that you
Yeah,
you
yeah.
got. Okay. So yeah, I will share my screen. Mine is actually
Okay.
still working, but I cannot stop it. It's still working, so it's possible. It's yeah, my screen like all of a sudden disappear or gets an error because it's still
Mhm.
working on this. You see, it's tripping. It's still working on this project here. But let's see what I have. So it's the same principle. It's just different type of cards. The difference I think with you is that you can move a card. As you can see, we have 30 days. You can move a card into projects, but you
Mhm.
cannot move it back to to-dos because you have one to do per day. That was, I think, the idea behind it. You
Mhm.
can see what it is at the moment. You can click on it. It has like some type of labels. You can attribute a date to it. Although the date should be attributed like automatically. You have
Yep.
like a little description of what you need to do. You can change the description as well because I think like the challenge can have like a fixed description, but you should also be able to change it a little bit. Then you can add a checklist item and then choose a file, like add an image to your Kanban if you want, a cover image,
Mhm.
just like in Trello dashboards. So you see when the card was created, the activity of the card as well. You can move the card from progress to done. And once it's in done, you won the task. You can
Mhm.
always move it back to in progress if you want, because I think that let's say you think you could do the challenge better,
Mhm.
still should have the opportunity to move it back. Once the 24-hour is over, you're not able to move it back from done to in progress. You can only have one task in progress at the same time. Then I
Mhm.
have this little timer on top. What I did was the timer auto resets at midnight every day.
Mhm.
And actually, we cannot really test it now, I don't think, actually. But normally you can choose an hour. So that's the only thing that I allow the user to do. Let's say they want to start their daily challenge at 7 o'clock every day in the morning. They can just set it to 7 o'clock and start it. And normally it will give you the amount of
Mhm.
time left until 7 o'clock in the morning depending on your time zone. I didn't really think about this, to be honest. So you can still do the same thing. And normally, this is something I cannot test as well because I didn't have the time to create a 0 minutes function. But you cannot
Mhm.
move it here. And once they are here, you cannot move it back. So
Okay.
every day it counts automatically as well. So after day two, it will be day two, and then day three, and then day four. But I didn't have
Mhm.
that's the idea behind it. Didn't have the possibility to change that, and that's the only thing that you can do in the settings. I wanted to add like an avatar and more things, but didn't have the time to do so. And that's actually the Kanban. And then I also added like continue with Google, Apple, Facebook. Thank you for the
Mhm.
idea, Nima. And you can just log in or sign up, but I don't know my password anymore. So I have to sign up with a new email ID. I just type something else, Hotmail, and then I can just choose another password and log in. But voila. I, I know I have to sign in, but I cannot even sign in. Hotmail.com. No, no, user, please work. No, I'm banned. So, voila. So,
Lost.
so lost. So yeah,
Cool, cool.
that was mine. I think it was a fun channel, a fun challenge. No.
Yeah, yeah, it was fun. Especially when we lost our login access.
Yep. I think we deserve a little applause. Yeah. So yeah, that was it for day one, I guess.
Yeah.
So we are going to end the stream here. It took a little bit longer than planned. We were initially saying that we were going to do it for 1 hour, and it's almost 1 hour and a half. So, well, yeah, such things happen. So
Yeah.
yeah, tomorrow we will be back, same time. What time we will go live? Like at 7 p.m.
Yep.
Brussels,
7.
Madrid time. What time is that? Brussels and Madrid time. They have to look it up. Who cares?
Yeah.
So 7 o'clock. We will be back live. So see you tomorrow. Dima,
Yeah.
you say, it's just the end of the
Yeah.
live stream. It's not like a meeting.
Yeah. See you tomorrow.
Ciao.